okay?
Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Rossi. Today we're going to be breaking down a body camera video footage. I hope y'all absolutely enjoyed the video, and let's get right into it.
Why are you running, dude? 23-1. Come on.
All right, I'm going to give y'all a little background on this call before we get real deep into it. So this call is being taken place in Florida. The subject you see right here in the gray and black shirt, he actually suffers from a mental illness. And down in Florida, they have what's called the Baker's Law. And the Baker's Law allows a law enforcement, medical professional, or a judge to sign a paper that requires him to go to the hospital for a mental evaluation for 72 hours if he has made threats to harm himself or made threats to harm others. So let's get on to it.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
All right. So him just mentioning that he is scared and him not showing that left hand, that worries me. Because people have a, defense mechanism. You either fight or you flight. And not being able to see that hand, not knowing what he could have in it. I mean, just tucking behind his leg right there. I mean, he could have a gun sitting there. He could have a knife sitting right there. So if I was that officer, I would be like, hey, yo, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Before we even go any further, let's see what he does.
Hey, look. Running's not gonna help. All right? One, I run a lot. Okay?
Come on, man. Ask him for that hand.
On the side trail, I'm here with him. Hold on. Look, we're gonna walk back, okay? Okay? Now, the thing of it is, you're still not in trouble, but obviously I can't trust you not to run anywhere. All right? So, come on.
All right. So I think the officer did a decent job trying to use what's called verbal judo, try to calm the situation down, let him know that he's there to help him, telling him he's not in trouble, telling him that, hey, man, we can still walk back to wherever they need to go. We just need to chill out and relax.
Come on. I'm going to put you in handcuffs for now. Okay?
Oh. All right. I don't know if y'all can see right there. The officer just got stabbed in the neck. So behind his back in that left hand, just like I was saying earlier, he had a knife. And as soon as the officer went to grab his hands and put it behind his back so that way they could walk to wherever they needed to go, he swung around and caught the officer right in the neck with that knife.
He stabbed me. He's got a knife. Hey, stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop! Stop right now! I got him at gunpoint.
All right. So for those of you, if I could use my words, for those of you that are wondering, is it okay that the officer has his gun out right now? Yes, in my mind, it would be. He just got stabbed. So at that point, the individual's a danger to a third party because you don't know what he may do if he comes across somebody else. He's a danger to yourself because he just stabbed you and he just committed a felony by stabbing you.
Stop right now! Stop! Nick!
Now, I do think it's a phenomenal idea that this officer swapped to his taser because obviously this guy's trying to get away from him, and he's not he's not trying to turn around and come back at him. So he does have a chance to use less than lethal, which is why I think it's a great demonstration of, this officer's knowledge and experience of being able to swap over to it. Because yes, would he have been justified? More than likely, he would have been justified. I'm not here to say that, but in my opinion, I think so. But with the taser, so he does have a long sleeve shirt on. So, there's one thing with the taser where it may not connect. So let's see if it connects.
Stop! Stop right now! Put it down! Drop the knife! Throw it to the side!
All right. So after being tased, you saw the first deployment did not work. More likely because of that long sleeve shirt. The second deployment did connect and cause what's called NMI, which is neuromuscular incapacitation. So it basically causes your body to lock up and tense up when you're receiving electrical shock. Then he was able to get him to toss a knife over to the side. He's still not listening to commands as far as, getting on his stomach and putting his hands behind his back. So let's keep on going.
Put your hands behind your back! Put it behind your back right now! Put your hands behind your... Put your hands behind your back now! Turn over! Turn over!
I want to know where this guy's backup is.
Julia 33.
Rico's ready for backup now.
Am I bleeding?
Huh?
Am I bleeding?
Yeah, you okay?
I don't know.
What happened?
You reached around and stabbed me.
Feel like a... Let go, let go. Clean the medical, come in there, clean the medical.
I hope y'all enjoyed that video. It looks like the officer is A-okay. The gentleman that he was trying to help from the get-go ended up being charged with attempted murder, resisting arrest with violence, and resisting arrest without violence. But good thing the officer's all right. The subject's all right, and he was able to get his medical treatment prior to going to jail. So, but make sure you hit that subscribe button if you like this kind of content. And well, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button if you did. And leave me a comment down in the comment section and let me know what you thought about the video. And without further ado, I hope you all have a blessed day.